Good morning, children. I hope you all are fine. I welcome you all to this session of English language. We are on to chapter 6, which is pronouns. Right? Now, children, think match the nouns to the pronouns that may be used to replace them. See, children, we are using all pronouns day to day in our day to day life whenever we are talking about. See, first is Anna and Suraj, right? And then Anna is the name of a girl, Suraj is the name of a boy. Right? Or rather, Anna and Suraj, right? So we can match them with um, he or him. Pepper the dog, right? It can be it, Namitha, she or her, Nilofer and I, we or us, or Bablu with he or him, right? So this list here, children, the list which is here, this one is the group of pronouns, right? This is the group of pronouns. Okay, learn. You know that the pronouns replace nouns. Pronouns can show different numbers, gender, and person, right? Now, the first person, I, me, it is common. We can use it from for male, for female, and then plural, we or us. Second person, you. Third person, he, him. See, first person is you yourself. Second person is to whom you are referring to whom you are talking to. Third person is the third, anybody else who is involved here, right? He, him, she, her, it, they, them. And then we have possessives. Possessive, it can be the person to whom anything belongs to. His, hers, mine, yours, it's ours, theirs, right? Okay. Now, we have to underline the singular pronoun in red and plural pronouns in blue, right? Okay. Let us see. First is my, right? But now, see, my mother got two cakes. They were yummy. Here, they is used for the cakes. So we will be underlining they with blue. China and I went to see a film, right? Here I is used for singular, so I will be underlining it with red. She did the homework on her own, right? She did the homework on her own, right? So she is for a singular and then her is also for the singular. Shall we go to the club tomorrow? No, we is used generally for the plural. So I will be underlining we with blue, right? This is how you have to do this exercise, right? We were trekking to Kasur last summer. We, again we. So what you will be doing is we, you will be underlining with blue. Molly, it is such a beautiful vase. It is a neuter but singular. So you will be underlining it with red, right? Okay, now learn. The case of a pronoun shows how a pronoun is related to the word in a sentence, right? Observe the pronouns in these sentences. She sat quietly in the class, right? Maya gave me a big hug. That watch of hers is beautiful. In the first sentence, see children, the first sentence is this one here. She is the subject of the sentence. Nominative case refers to the pronouns used as the subject. In the second sentence, me is the object. Maya gave me. See, Maya will be the subject, so me will be the object. The objective or accusative case. In the third sentence, her shows possession. So, possessive case is used to show. So, there are three cases: nominative, objective, and possessive case. These are the three cases. right? Now complete the sentences with suitable subject and object pronoun. There can be more than one answer. So let us see the answers here. Let me change the color. Okay. It dash following to the is dash following dash to the station. So here can be many answers. Is she following her to the station? Is he following her? Or is she following him? It can be any. It can be any. So let us take, is he following him, right, to the station, right? There can be many choices. Dash chose the dress for dash. So it could be she chose the dress for him. We can write this: she chose the dress for him or her or anything, right? Now this is how you have to do this exercise here, right? Now we come to the C part. Complete the sentences with suitable pronoun. This doll belongs to him. This doll is his. This is my dog. He is, yes, he is what? You will write here M-I-N-E, mine. This field belongs to my family. This is, now for my it was mine. Now here is my family. So you will be writing O-U-R-S, ours, right? This is how you have to do this exercise. My mother was a chess champion. The trophies on the shelf are hers. H-E-R-S. Right, children? Okay. Now this is how you will be doing this exercise. See what you learn from this. Look at the pronouns in the color in these sentences. Shantanu hurt himself yesterday. Right? Himself is in color. They gave themselves too little time for the activity. Themselves. You will have noticed that the pronouns in color here are the objects in the sentences and they refer to the subjects. Right? Shantanu, themselves. These are called reflexive pronouns. Right? Reflexive pronouns are used when the object and the subject of the sentence are the same. Right, children? So these are the reflexive pronouns. So I stop here, right? As we have learned a lot of things today. So until we meet again, it's a goodbye. Hope you have enjoyed it.